Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammadul Firdaus. I'm from the 5th semester of English Education Department, and on this occasion, I would like to review a journal entitled Effectiveness of Using the Zoom Application as an Online Learning Medium for Students During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Alright, let's go straight to the review session. This is a journal komunikasi entitled Effectiveness of Using the Zoom Application as an Online Learning Medium for Students During the COVID-19 Pandemic, Volume 9, Number 2, 2020. Written by Junita Monica and Dini Fitriawati. Totaling 10 pages with the aim to find out how effective online learning is using the Zoom application at ARS University. The subject in the study were ARS University students totaling 25 people. And this is the initial information I gave about this journal. Henceforth, we will discuss what is behind the author in making this journal. Then discuss the method used, then discuss the result that can be obtained from this research. And at the end, I will provide conclusion regarding the journal that we are reviewing at this time. Immediately, I would like to explain about what is behind the author in loading this journal. So, let's look at the following explanation by me. In the midst of the outbreak of case of the spread of COVID-19 virus that occurred in Indonesia, it turned out to have its own impact on the world of education. And the government has issued several policies or steps that can be taken during the coronavirus pandemic. One of the policies taken was to cancel all teaching and learning activities, which later turned into an online system. Learning with video conferencing can replace learning that is usually done face-to-face in class into virtual face-to-face activities through the help of applications that are connected to the internet network. One application that provides facilities for face-to-face interaction between educators and students virtually via video conference with a PC or laptop or smartphone is Zoom meeting. And the effectiveness of learning using Zoom can be achieved, one of which by using learning media in the learning process that is accordance with the situation and condition. But from the content of the material or state of student environment, student environment, and submission of a concept to student will convey well if the concept requires student to be directly involved in it. So far, the reason why the researcher conducted a study entitled Effectiveness of Using Zoom Application as an Online Learning Medium for Students During the COVID-19 Pandemic. And the next one is about the method used in the research. So, the author using qualitative descriptive method, and the variables studied are use of Zoom application as X variable or independent variable and student as Y variable or dependent variable. The next is population of the study was ARS University student class 2019, 2017, 2018, and 2019 who were categorized as a student who were actively taking course, while the sample from the study was 25 people who were willing to be interviewed via the WhatsApp application. The data collection technique used in this form of in-depth online interviews via WhatsApp because of the unfavorable situation of COVID-19 pandemic. And analysis of research data was carried out using the Miles and Haberman analysis model. The next discussion is about the result obtained from this research. Research data saw that as many as 10 respondents saw that as many as 2 students admitted that it was difficult to understand when learning online. The second is as many as 3 were quite understanding during learning and 5 were mostly able to understanding learning. The second is the level of clarity of message delivery shows that many as 3 students stated it was not clear when doing online learning. Meanwhile, as many as 3 students admitted it's quite clear and 4 students stated it was clear. Another data is that a student said that when learning was often unclear due to the speaker factor, which sometimes disappear depending on the seasonal strength and sound during learning. The result of the research shows that students can accept learning quite clearly. And the effectiveness of online learning implemented at the ARS University makes students more flexible when carrying out lectures. And the next is advantage. The advantage when using the Zoom application. The first, Zoom is free to download and allows up to 100 participants. The second is you can schedule lesson via schedule feature. The third is you can record and save videos while learning is taking place. And the fourth, Zoom Cloud Meeting can work on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices that can be replaced. The next is the drawback is that learning can only last for 4 minutes. If it's been 4 minutes, that application automatically exists and must log back in with a new user ID. In addition, students must have an extra network so that during learning there are no obstacles. Based on this description, it can be said that online learning at ARS University is quite effective by using the Zoom application, which has been prepared during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Alright, after discussing the result of the research, the next we will enter to the final session of this review. Namely, I will provide conclusion and a few suggestions that hopefully can be accepted by all of my friends. The conclusion is learning that can be said to be flexible, and its implementation makes it easier for students to participate in online or remote learning activities, making learning using the Zoom application receive a very good response from students. The many features that make it easy are a plus to make online learning easier, and next are the shortcoming and a few criticism of this journal. It is necessary to conduct further research or study by examining broader variables and in-depth theoretical studies in finding other variables that are thought to have a significant effect on the effectiveness of using Zoom application as an online learning media for students during the COVID-19 pandemic. If there are addition or suggestion, you can write them in the comments box below. And I think that's all from me. Okay, alright friends, that's all I can convey about the journal entitled Effectiveness of Using the Zoom Application as an Online Learning Medium for Students During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Hopefully it can be received well. I apologize previously if there are errors in this review or for mistake that I did, and thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.